Hey everyone, welcome back to another Kathie's World Recycle Day. As you all know, I go to a lot of YouTube sales because I enjoy buying quality stuff at discount prices. So I bought some music pages recently because I enjoy using them. Then they came in the mail. First of all, let me say, if you're going to charge postage for what you've shown and the size it is, then mail it that way, because you're going to lose sellers when you don't. I mean buyers. I bought these full sheets of music paper. Full sheets of music paper. They came like so. What am I going to do with these? They are creased. They are definitely creased. So I got upset. I just threw them in my trash bin, you know, the recycle bin and stuff, to find something to do with it. So I was cleaning that out this morning, and I decided, what am I going to do with it? I'm going to turn them into journal cards the best way I can, or something that I can use, because I paid for them. I'm not just going to throw them away. So going to cut them up. Didn't want to cut them up. I wanted full pages, but I'm going to cut them up. So let's just start with these to start with. Now what I would do once I decorate it, if I can get it open after cutting it, you know what? I just made something here that I didn't even make. I was going to make, well, that one won't work. Let's see how many of these will work in this. This can go in there. That won't. And that won't. So I might as well just go ahead and tear these apart too, because it's not enough. Well, that messed up. So this will become fodder for something else. Okay. I didn't want to have to pull the cutter back over. So, what can I do here? You know, I go to my scissors a lot more than I do that little cutter. I don't know why, I just do. One of the things I've been doing lately is, for my purchases for my stores, is sending goodie bags. Let me take one of my bags, put it over here. And I just decorate them different ways. Okay. Oh, come on, I know I have glue sticks out here. There's 1,000,001 things you can do with book pages. Really, there's 1,000,001 things you can do with any kind of paper. So don't throw any of it away until it gets out of control. Then go through it and say, what can I use this for? If you come up with an idea, keep it. If you can't, toss it. I have that one there. Where did the pages go? Put this one. Like so. I intentionally want this sheet to be taller than what I'm working with there, hopefully. Hopefully I did it the right way. And I did. So I have a little bit of brown showing on the edge of this bag, so I'm going to put this one over here on the edge. You can ink them if you want to. For the purpose of this video, I always ink them, but for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to take the time to ink them. I will ink it together once it's on there. I need to just learn to slow down. Because when I get on a video, I tend to go too fast. Now, I also keep a lot of leftover ephemera after a project. So, I've got some heavy chipboard pieces over here. It's okay. Let's do it like that. No, I don't like that. Oh, I like this. And just play around with it till you find something you like. Kind of like this. So I will glue this down. I'm going to stick it inside the bag so that I know this is what I want to go on this one. And then I will pull another one over. And this is a little curled here, so trim this one up. There we go. And I am still working on the Dark Shadows journal. I have not given up on it. It's just taking me a little while longer. Now what I also do is inside of that big bag is I put small bags of objects. So I'm going to want to do something with this bag. Go all the way to the edge. I'm using up old glue sticks that I've had forever and a day that I bought by the case. So you will see me going with different glue sticks in different videos, but it's just to get rid of all of them. So that one will go there. I keep coming back to this butterfly for some reason, and I don't even like it. But that's another reason I want to get rid of it, because I don't like it. And I know I'll never use it in something that I'm going to be using as a project, so for giveaway bags, these two will go well. So I stick those two in there and glue them down. And basically, it's just keep going. Just take what you have. Another thing I wanted to do, and I don't know where my fabric tack is. Hold on. Nope, it's not on my desk. So I'll just show you. I have a lot of these strips of fabric. So some of my bags will be, and there she is, fabric tag. Having fabric strips on them. It's a good way to use up extra fabric if you have it. And I just think this is pretty. And I didn't want to get rid of it, so I didn't want to sell it. So they are going to go on this bag. Do I want it like that, or do I want it like, I want it like that. Do I want it Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the edge down, because as I come across pieces of blue, I'll come back and do a collage probably halfway across the bag, but I need this edge up to do that. Right now it's just a matter of prepping things so that I can just grab them and finish them. And what I usually like to do is fill a shoebox with prepped items and then come back as I need them and take maybe 5 to 10 at a time while I'm sitting here watching videos or something and finish them off. So basically what I do is I move one stash from one pile into a box. But eventually it does all get cut down because it's all used eventually. But like right now I do not have a lot of blue in my, what I call my crap box. It's not scrap, it's crap. But it will get used. So as I accumulate some blue, I can come back and add it to this one and then just finally glue this side down too. So there's 1,000,001 things you can make. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Keep your scraps. Look for scraps in thrift stores. Find ways to use up all of this extra ephemera you have laying around that you didn't use in a project that you bought for that project and just ended up using 1 or 2 pieces. So I have all of this that's going back in the crap box. These are going to go into my farm journal. All of this is going to go back in the crap box. And then, as I need something, or because I don't want to make everything exactly the same, you know, all music paper, all book pages. I'll do some collaging with some mixed media things. But you get the general idea. You can use a grocery store bag, you can use a lunch bag, and decorate them and put them in your journals, or use them for Happy Mail, or these little ones like this. These make absolutely adorable pockets and journals. Just decorate them and, you know, put them in there. Look in the party section of the Dollar Tree. Rare occasions you can catch these in there. But, you know, if you're a bad person like me and you buy them all when you see them, then it's going to be hard for anybody else to catch them. But, I mean, they might have 5 on the rack. So, yeah. And these are glassine bags. So, check them out. Get you some. And start decorating. And, you know, if you have any small bags like this laying around, use them up. Use whatever you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon with another Recycle Day video.